Hi, welcome to Nelly's Nook. My name is Nelly, and today I have just a very short video for you, just how to decorate a little bit of your book fold corners. I have either round or straight. It's a very quick change of your book, and it looks very pretty. You can do actually any size of your corner depending what you have, what kind of puncher you have. I have this one from Amazon. It has three different sizes. I like the small one just because I think it's just cleaning up the corners very nicely. I don't know if you can see that. Clean up the corners very nicely, and it doesn't take away from the picture. So what I do, I just take my book, my pages, and I turn my puncher upside down so I can see where the corners go, so they fit nicely. Nicely in the corner of the puncher, so they don't go anywhere else. And don't forget to take the paper out so it doesn't get stuck over there. And that's what I do with every single page. Of course, you can do it on any fold, or you can leave it straight as you like it, as you wish. It will just change the look. This one I did invisible, so I don't have any line from the front fold, so my fold is like in 45 degrees, so when I cut everything it just blends even nicer than it is already. I like this pattern because I love the nose, so I will just decorate my guy a little bit, and I'll show it to you when it's done. My book is done with all round corners, and it looks very cute. It flows very nicely. The picture flows very nicely. Something different. I think it's very pretty. I hope you enjoy it. Have fun folding, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.